Ajinkya D.Y. Patil University is a private institution established in 2015 that is located in Lohegaon, Pune. It holds a rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars from students on Shiksha.com. Let's dive into the institution's B.Tech program, beginning with its placement record rated 3.5 stars. In 2023, ADYPU's placement saw participation from 500 recruiters, including CEAT, Tata Communications, Amazon, and several others. In 2023, the highest international package was 1.2 crores, the highest national package was 21 lakhs, and the average package was 6.71 lakhs. ADYPU is progressing but has room for improvement in placements. With an average salary of 6.71 lakhs, it's approaching SSPU's figures, yet there is still a gap to bridge. Students note that the top roles offered is a supervisor position at Royal Enfield, with additional opportunities as software developer and software tester, among others. Students say that all of them secured internships with many landing opportunities at companies like Cognizant, Tata, and several others. ADYPU offers 10 B.Tech specializations along with 4 sub-specializations in biotechnology, CSE, IT, and mechanical. The intake is 741 students with the eligibility requiring 45% in 10 plus 2 PCM PCB. Admission is through the CET, however cut-off details are not available. The total program fees ranges from 10 to 14 lakhs for 4 years. EWS scholarships are awarded to Maharashtra domiciled students. The institution has a 3.4 star value for money rating on Shiksha.com. Directing attention to the 4.2 star rated infrastructure, ADYPU's campus spans across 100 acres. The campus features a library, hostel, sports complex, laboratories, and a cafeteria. Students appreciated the impressive infrastructure, spacious playgrounds, creative architecture, reliable Wi-Fi, and high cleanliness standards. Unispace hostel facilities accommodate around 850 students across 250 rooms, offering 24/7 security, housekeeping, laundry, Wi-Fi, and a well-regulated environment. Students have appreciated the 5 on-campus canteens and commend the mess for its good quality meals. Students have appreciated ADYPU's sports facilities, which features outdoor fields, an indoor arena, and activities like pool and table tennis. The campus provides space for football, basketball, tennis, and badminton, along with gaming clubs for extra engagement. Students praise ADYPU's IT center for its cutting-edge technology and fast internet, which really boosts their academic work. They also highlight the top-notch computer labs that are ideal for research, collaboration, and digital learning. Transitioning to faculty and curriculum with a 4-star rating. Students appreciate that the teachers and department heads are PhD holders who deliver high-quality instruction and strong support. They also note that the course curriculum is frequently updated to keep them industry-ready and aligned with current needs. With a 4.4 star rating for campus life, let's delve deeper. The Y20 Youth Festival 2023 is an annual event focusing on global collaboration, innovation, and essential skills through various activities. ADYPU offers 15 different clubs including entrepreneurship, literary, debate, photography, music, games, and more. ADYPU is currently unranked on NIRF as of now. For more details on Ajinkya D.Y. Patil University, Pune, and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit Shiksha.com. We would like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.